We know design and style sells cars, especially if you're a sedan. Now, there used to be a time you could just gently evolve over generations, but what if you have been around since 1976, over 45 years? This is Honda Accord and everybody knows it, so what happens if you need change up? You need to move up, you need to make the revolution. Welcome to Anne's Vlogs from Oman, and this is the 10th generation Honda Accord 1.5 Turbo. 10th generation Honda Accord was launched early last year, and Honda Accord is a very big deal in Oman. About style, at the front we have very sleek LED headlamps, a very three-dimensional grille. So now it's broken up into two distinct pieces. You have got piano black at the bottom half, and then you have got this chrome lining that spreads the whole width of the car. Lower down you have LED fog lamp, and that car looks actually wider than the old Honda Accord. Around the side is where you see most of the design revolution. It's gone from a 3-box sedan like what we know about the Accord for all this time. Now a fast back profile. So what you see is this long tapering roofline that stretches really all the way to the back booth. The 1.5 Turbo is coming with 18-inch alloy wheel. Around the back, the tail headlight. Whatever we had in that Civic, so this I suppose a more premium interpretation. It looks bigger, of course. So you get basically sort of two main levels of light beam, and you know it gives the car that width. When we come to the boot, it's massive, 550 liters of boot space. It's probably the biggest in its class. It's probably biggest among any sedan you can find. Under the hood of Honda Accord is the 1.5-liter turbocharged, sending all its power to a Dream CVT type transmission, which generates power to its front wheels. Interior of the new Accord is very comfortable, with new design seat units, and the power of driving seat is awesome. Starting up, front gauge cluster. They look super symmetrical. One side is your speedometer and the other side is your multi-information display. With the button on steering wheel, you can control what is up, and it gives you a little bit of driving information. Steering wheel is designed with super comfortable leather wrap. Screen up front is 8-inch user-friendly Honda Display audio system. It includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It also displays reverse camera and hidden spot camera view. Down a bit lower is the dual auto climate control, where we have driver's temperature and passenger temperature and can control them individually. Center console is extremely well designed, and you have your echo button, electronic parking brake and brake hold system. Now, quite possibly the second best thing of the new Honda Accord is just the rear. You know, Honda Accord were never short of space. They were always very accommodating with generous legroom, and you get the commanding view of the front. I hope you have enjoyed this review of the all-new 10th generation Honda Accord. Until next time, thank you for watching this video. Drive safe and stay safe.